Hi, I'm Glenn Peacock from Woodchester Nissan. Why should you come to Woodchester Nissan for service? Because we have certified technicians. Why will you come back to Nissan? Because we have a great service department.
The biggest benefit is going to be the factory trained technicians as well as the factory support at the end of the day. One of the main things that we do above all else is transparency and are very attentive to your concerns. You are always given options as well as knowing that what we're presenting to you is the truth and the best possible action towards your vehicle.
My experience here has been comforting. When you walk into a place where you do not know a lot about what type of work is going to be done, there's some fear that happens, and that actually goes away because as soon as I walk in, the service advisors meet me with a smile. They make me feel comfortable in that I know they're going to take care of my car. They're going to do an excellent job.